Here's a quick supplemental video for you to show you just a neat feature inside of the Thinkorswim platform that you might want to use. You can come up here to the settings, chart settings icon, click on that. And you can come down here on the general page, that first main page, where it says data box. And you can turn that data box on. You can do a floating data box, which will move around with your cursor, or you can do a fixed data box. So I'll do a floating data box. I'll apply that. I'm going to go click on OK. So now when I move my cursor around and I point to a candlestick, for example, I can see the open, the high, the low, the close, the range, and it gives me all the information on all of the different moving averages and things I have posted on the chart. You can even see my RSI data down below. So again, I can look at these candlesticks and kind of get an idea. And again, when it floats around with you like that, that can sometimes be distracting or annoying. So what you can do is, again, you go back up to that setting and you take it from floating and you put it to fixed. And you click on apply, click on OK, and you can actually get that data box. You can pin it, you can fix it someplace and get a nice little look at it. So as you point to candlesticks, you can see the data, get that information. Makes it a little easier for you as you're looking at charts to get the data quickly and spot the changing ranges in the candlesticks. You can see the relative size of the candlesticks. You can see the range went from 271 down to 246, and then up here we got the candle range dropping down to 151, and you kind of get the picture. So as you see those candle ranges shrink, and identifying those key levels of support and resistance, the data box can be a useful tool.